An doctor as an scríb nóireacht agus hasise chud column. Okay, so tarish tamalin, it's the same word tamal, but now it's a little while tamalin. Diary and doctor as an scríb nóireacht. So literally rose the doctor from the writing, but it means he gave up the writing, he stopped writing. Agus hasise, and he turned chig column towards column. Okay? I have a few more examples of the word idri. So the basic meaning is to rise. Okay, so Dairi she ag seach o'clock as he got up at 7 o'clock. Dairi she ag seach o'clock. But it's also used a lot to talk about becoming something. So Dairi she tirshach as he got tired. Dairi she tirshach. Okay. And kind of the expression "May the road rise to meet you," which in Irish literally is "Gonairi and boher lat." May the road rise with you. Basically means may your trip succeed. Okay, so if you're in an exam and you did well in the exam, dairi lesh saskrudu. So literally it rose with him in the exam, or he did well in the exam. Dairi lesh saskrudu. And then the one I mentioned earlier is if you dairi as something, it means you leave something. So dairi she asafost. He quit his job. Rosie from his job. Okay. So it's used various ways in Irish. Okay? So back to the main sentence. So Tarish Tamalin, Dari and Doctor as an scríb nóireacht. Agus hasise chud column. Okay?
So you change between diary and diary?
You can say either way.
Okay.
20. Well, Cadtag Jane of Imri ditch a jirishe. So what is Imri is worry. Okay, so Cadtag Jane of Imri ditch is what is making worry for you, what is worrying you. Okay?
Is that in making an R sound then?
Huh?
In Imri?
Yeah, the end. You can say Imni or Imri. Cadtag Jane of Imri ditch a jirishe asti. Okay, and fury, in the past, it's hard to tell because the two words for ask, which are actually different words in Irish. Okay, jir is ask someone to do something, and jiri is asked the question. Okay, the command form is ir. And theory, don't typically pronounce the middle F on there. So ir is ask someone to do something. So ir dahere, so ask on your father to do it. Or theory jadaher, ask your father it. Ask the question. Okay. When you use egg in it, Iri is asking someone to do something, or like we saw earlier, it also means to want something. Okay. Actually, not Firu, sorry. I think it's actually Fury. I think it's Fury. I think it's with an I, Fada. I think it's Fury that way, actually. Yeah. I might want to check that one up. Fury, yeah. I think it's that way. I want the dictionary to look it up for me. But it'd be to ask. So a lot of times they sound very similar. Like Deary is asked, but Fury is here, but Iri is asking. So it can get a little confusing, but there's the one that has the F in it is the one that's a question, theory. The one to ask a question of someone, the one with IARR in its variance is to ask someone to do something. Okay. All right. So Jurisha. Okay, so that one. So well, Kadta Jen of Imri ditch.
Well, Kadta Jen of Imri
a jirisha.
Adirisha.
Okay. And the answer is Nilam Agam Hain, a dragger column. Nilam Agam Hain, a dragger column. So Nilam, I am not. Agam Hain, literally at myself, so I'm not myself. A dragger column, answered column. Frager is answer. Fragra is an answer to a question. Fragra. A fragra is an answer. Okay? Fragra. Okay? And then 22. Tatinas keen oram agus nil magilla har wola bercha. So tatinas keen oram, I have a headache. Agus nil magilla, and my appetite's not too good, which literally in Irish is har means past. Mola is word mol is to recommend or to praise something. So har wola is beyond the recommendation or the praise. Bert is at number 2 for 2 people we saw. Bercha of 2 people. So it's not beyond the praise of 2 people. So it's not too good. Okay.
Pronounce that one more time.
Okay, so ta tinnis keen oram agus Neil Magilla Har Wola Bercha. Okay. And 23. Banjit the Chota agus Oscal Bardalania. So ban, a lot of meanings in Irish. Banje means to take off. So banjia, take off of you. The Chota, your coat. Agus Oscal and open. Bardalania, the top of your shirt. Okay? And bar is top, boon is bottom. So you say obun go bar from bottom to top. It's from top to bottom in English. Okay.
So there's an advertisement, Swiss Air, Har Bar Air. What does
Har bar means, literally it's over the top. It means great, fantastic. Har bar.
Okay.
Yeah.
Swiss Air is advertising in Irish.
Har bar. Okay. 24. Rinyan Dr. Screwdo Air. It's made the doctor an examination on him. And 25. And shin hisha sheer agastansha go ger cholam. Okay. So hisha sheers, he sat down. Hisha sheer, he sat back. Okay. Agastansha and stared he go ger sharply. Ger is used to mean sharp. It's also used for sour.
Should that be more like intelligent or judgmental?
Judgmental. Yeah. Yes, and ken ishtu. So literally, what is the age? You. Okay, what is your age? Ken ishtu. And he answers 26 years old. Sheb lina is ficha. Okay. And so the way you answer how old you are, you say Tame I am, and then whatever your age is. Okay. So you say I am 5 years, I am 25 years, I'm 105 years. Okay. Tame. So some examples of that. To say he's 1 year old, Tasha Ains Lian Leash. So he is 1 year of age, literally. He's 2 years old, Tasha Rav Lian Dish. He's 3 years old, Tasha Tri Blina Dish. So Blin is one of those words that's irregular when you count it. Okay, it does funny things. He's 7 years old, Tasha Shach Mlina Dish. And he's 13 years old, literally he's 3 years teen of age. Tasha Tri Blina Jeg Dish. He's 20 years old, Tasha Ficha Blina Dish. He's 28 years old, Tasha Och Mlina is Ficha Dish. So he's 8 years and 20 of age, literally. Okay? And he's 57 years old, Tasha Shach Mlina is Kega Dish. He's 44 years old. You could say he's 40 years and he's 4 years and 40 old, or you can say Tasha Karablina is Gaskor Dish. So he's 4 years and 2 score of age. Okay. And those are the simpler ones, yeah. You can do a last score is 10 years because it's half of a score. And you can do a lached, which is half of 100 is 50. So you can combine a half of 100. You probably wouldn't combine the two halves, but you would have like a half of 100 and a score and 5 or something. So, so you hear all sorts of combinations of numbers for ages. Okay, so he asks him then, Ken pli vahatagat. So what job, what way of, how do you earn your living? Okay, so it's a question you might see on a question on a form or something. And he says, I don't have one. Neil ein kyanagam. So that's using the word kyan, which literally means head, but here means one. So Neil ein kyanagam, I don't have anyone, any one job, any job.